If Hollywood does a casting call for the Sovereign Citizen Final Boss, this guy's got to be in the running. He at least has the record for the most misquoted case law on a traffic stop that I've seen in quite a long time.
How's it going? I'm Officer Stuff. Let me see your hands real quick. The reason I'm stopping is you got no plate on your truck here.
Yeah, exactly. I don't.
Why not?
I'm traveling.
You're traveling?
Yes, sir.
You got a driver's license?
Don't need it.
Don't need it.
Ding, ding, ding. No DL, no plate, traveling, sovereign citizen.
Okay. Why not? The state of Michigan, it states you gotta have a driver's license.
Do you know anything about the Constitution of the United States?
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah.
What's the Fourth Amendment?
Okay, so do you have a driver's license?
No, what's the Fourth Amendment?
I'm asking you a question. Do you have a valid Michigan driver's license, sir?
Why don't you get your supervisor?
Okay. 804. He's not driving, he's traveling.
He's not driving, he's traveling. That's how you tell your sergeant you got a sovereign without telling your sergeant you got a sovereign.
Sir, do you have any identification on you?
I don't have to provide it unless I've committed a crime.
Sir, you got no plate on your vehicle.
I do not have to provide you with anything as long as I have not committed a crime.
Okay. I'm just simply asking for your Michigan driver's
What's
license.
your RAS?
I'm Officer Stump. I work for the Dundee Police Department.
I understand that.
This is the village of Dundee
What is your ARS?
What do you mean ARS?
What is your articular suspicion that I have committed a crime?
Okay, so you don't have a plate on this vehicle, which is a violation of Michigan.
It's a statute or it's a legislative law. Okay.
Okay.
When
You know the Michigan Motor Vehicle Code?
I do know it, but I don't need to know it.
Okay, what do you know about it?
Because I drive in the private capacity. Okay.
Okay.
Therefore, I do not need it.
Okay. All right.
Okay. And I'm going to need your name and
Yeah,
your
Stump,
badge
right here.
number.
811.
811 is your badge number? Because I'm going to let you know, I'm going to put you on notice right now that this is going to be connected to your bond.
Okay. What kind of bond?
I know your bond. All officers are.
Okay.
And either you took an oath, okay, you did take an oath personally, right?
Yeah, all law enforcement officers had taken
Well,
oath.
you sure did. So now you're bonded. Okay.
Okay.
So now what's going to happen is when your supervisor gets here, okay, you're probably going to be finding a new job.
Okay. Why is
Just
it?
to let you know. Because you broke your oath just now.
How so?
Because you pulled me over.
You don't have a license plate on your vehicle.
I am traveling.
Okay.
It's understandable. I'm an American.
Okay.
I'm an American.
Are you feeling to identify yourself to a law enforcement officer?
I'm not going to identify.
So you don't. All right. Go ahead and shut the truck off for me.
Nope. Unless you told me I committed a crime.
You committed a traffic violation. So
When
not.
your supervisor gets here,
Yeah, absolutely. Absolutely.
Take note of the phone here with this little screen recording. If this turns into a very serious situation, that can be taken in a search warrant as evidence.
I don't want to do nothing bad to nobody, but the thing is,
I appreciate that.
is you guys need to understand the law. Okay? You might understand the statute law, okay, commerce law.
You talking about the MCLs?
No, you might understand that, but you don't understand common law. Okay, and I'm not running in commerce law.
Okay.
Okay.
My supervisor's on the way as you requested.
Awesome, thank you.
So
You
we
guys
get
have a chief of police, or do you
Yeah.
have a?
Yeah, we got a chief.
You got a chief? Okay.
Uh-huh.
He's gonna be out here too.
My boss is coming, so
Great.
he'll be able to talk to you.
Great.
It's just a simple traffic stop, man. You got no license plate on your vehicle. That's it. Okay. All I'm simply
Right,
asking is that
you just broke your oath by. I didn't commit a crime. Okay, and
you're violating.
You pulled me
Michigan traffic.
over. You broke your oath. Okay, you broke the Fourth Amendment. Okay, the Constitution. If you don't know what it is, go look it up.
Okay.
And then you'll understand what I'm talking about.
This guy has butchered so many different laws in reasonable, articulable suspicion. The Fourth Amendment, search and seizure. What he's conflating is that he believes that he's being seized unlawfully during a traffic stop. And people who want to debate this can debate it all they want. It's been proven in court that the police can stop people for lawful traffic violations. And it's unfortunate this guy's butchering the law ways, and he's definitely bitten off more than he can chew.
And I don't blame you, because you guys are taught a certain way. You're taught through the academy, you're taught everything through MCL laws. You guys ain't taught common law, and you're not taught to protect yourselves. I have nothing against police officers. I really think you guys are awesome to have around. I just think that you guys are very uneducated. Okay, and what the real laws are. Okay. Now see, A driver's license, if you really want to know the truth, a driver's license is a contract through the state to be a driver. Okay. The only time you need a driver's license is if you are running in commerce. You are doing business under that driver's license. That's the only reason you need it.
Okay.
Okay. And I got 2 cases going now. I've already won one.
Oh, where'd you win that at?
In Taylor.
Taylor?
Yep.
Oh, okay.
So, and there's 4 officers that got arrested up there already. You know, got arrested and kicked off the force.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Because of shit like this.
Oh, they stopped you for no play?
They didn't stop me for no play, but they stopped me for sitting in a parking lot.
Oh,
okay.
This is a misdemeanor car stop. What's being exchanged is what I call felony stupid. None of this stuff makes sense what this guy is saying. This whole sovereign stuff, it still continues to amaze me that people that are in my age group still believe this. And even after more than one time of going to jail, many of them continue to do the same thing. I did some research on this case that he was talking about. I could find nothing that related to what he was talking about, these officers that were fired for stopping him being parked in a parking lot for sovereign citizen stuff.
I don't want to come off as a cocky dick, okay, but I just want you to understand that you guys are subjected to some bad shit, okay? Because your office hasn't been totally honest with you guys, just like they haven't been totally honest with us, the people. Okay? And as citizens, we look at you guys to serve and protect. We don't look at you guys to be tyrants.
Okay, so if you want to go and you want to learn about all that, let's say I want to go and I want to learn the correct way, right? Like you said, where do I go?
Constitution of the United States, Declaration of Independence, Bill of Rights, it's all there, okay? And I'm going to let you off the hook. I'm going to let you know what the 4th Amendment right is. That is the right to travel anywhere you want to in this country without being bothered.
Okay.
Okay, unless you've committed a crime. Okay, I haven't committed a crime. I haven't done nothing wrong, so.
Okay.
I'm gonna concede, you do have the right to travel, but you do need a driver license and you do need to obey laws. It's that simple.
He's not driving, he's traveling.
Okay, do you have a driver's license?
He doesn't want to provide.
You're one of the sovereign citizens.
No, I'm not a sovereign.
Okay, Michigan
I'm
law
a
requires
state
you.
national.
Okay, well, Michigan requires you to have a driver's license in this state. Okay, sir, we're not going to play this game. I'm going to let you know right now you need to provide identification to the officer for the stop. And if not, you're going to end up going to Monroe County Jail. Your vehicle's going to be impounded.
Okay, can we get your sheriff out here? Or your captain?
No. I'm the highest ranking supervisor right now.
You have to.
No, I do not.
Yes, you do.
Okay, sir, are you going to comply?
You know you're going to get fired, right?
No, I'm not.
Yeah, you are.
No, I'm not, sir.
Yes, you are.
I am not.
My house is right there. Okay?
You need to have a valid driver's license to be on Michigan roadways, sir. Your vehicle is not registered as well either, so you're committing two
You don't know
crimes.
what the Constitution of the United States is either, do you?
You don't either, sir.
Oh, yes, I do know what it is.
All right, well, you can go whatever you want to do with that, but yes, sir. So are you going to provide that information?
I'm not going to.
Okay.
And the thing is I asked you.
Hey,
I asked for the supervisor.
And I am the supervisor on duty.
And now I'm asking for either the captain or the sheriff.
The highest ranking person on duty for our department right now is me. Other than that, it's the chief of police, and he is not working today. And the sheriff does not come out here for these types of calls. So I know you recognize that the sheriff is the only elected official in law enforcement when you're a sovereign citizen, but apparently...
I'm not trying to be a sovereign citizen.
Okay. What was the initial stop for?
The license.
Central 17 calling.
All right, sir.
Identification.
You're going to have to step out of the vehicle then.
I got 811-803 on.
If you put your hands on me
I'm in the garage.
and you kidnap me from my automobile,
Step out of the vehicle, sir.
if you kidnap
Step
me,
out of the vehicle, sir.
if you don't touch me, get your hands off of me.
Drop it now, sir.
Don't touch me.
You're going to jail then.
You get your hands off
Okay,
me.
let's get him out.
You get your sheriff here. No, you get your sheriff here. You get your... Hey.
Run your door.
Hey. No. Come on, man. Come on. Hey.
Get out of the car. Now. Turn around.
1546 or
Put your hands behind your back.
You guys are some serious shit. There you go, seizure, kidnapping. Okay. Look at 18241 and 242. And 18, USC 18, 1581, through 1591A. You guys are both going to be gone.
USC 18241 and USC 18242. They both do exist. They apply to deprivation of rights and oppression under the color of law, which officers can be charged with, but it doesn't have anything to do with driving on the road and being stopped for a traffic violation. When I said this guy could be cast as the final boss of this whole sovereign thing, he conflates every single law in the most horrific of ways, and you see where he ends up.
You both are done. I guarantee it.
Face the car real quick.
And that officer assaulted me.
All right. Take a seat.
I want my phone.
Okay, take a seat.
I can't sit like this. I'm telling you, I got bad back problems and I got heart problems. You're gonna fucking hurt me.
Okay, just take a seat, man.
I can't sit back.
Okay, you want to stay forward and not do a seatbelt, or are you refusing a seatbelt?
Yes, I don't want a seatbelt,
Okay,
please.
I gotta put this on you though.
I just said I don't want one, and you put one on me anyway.
Yeah, you gotta have seatbelt.
And he's got his VIN covered up. He's got a thing that says constitutional waiver or whatever. I don't know if you can get that out of it.
For those who haven't seen, I've explained this before. The VIN is the vehicle identification number, which when they don't have the plate, we can run the VIN either digitally or just manually. We take it down, run it in the car, and we can figure out when the vehicle was last registered. And they cover that up a lot of times because they know that we can do some backtracking to figure out who the vehicle belongs to and all the other stuff involved with the vehicle.
Some DPG is asking, do you guys have a
Rick Martin,
scanner?
Constitution lawyer. Is that his name? I don't know, but I'll check the VIN. Yeah, I don't know.
Is your name Rick?
811 clear direct.
Nope, you're not Rick Martin.
No.
Okay.
Can I get my phone, please, so that I can call my...
I can't get you anything until I figure out who you are.
We see it ending the same way every time, in the back of a car, and almost every time we see the same charges. The traffic charges that they initially stop the person for, the usually registration or insurance, and then we see the resisting and the obstructing charges. Those are horrific charges to have on your record. If you're trying to apply for employment, if you're trying to get global entry to travel or anything, who wants to have resisting, obstructing? I want this video shared with as many people as possible. I'm surprised at how many people still don't know that this contagion is continuing to spread, and I don't know why, because I've never ever seen it work. Subscribe, share this video, and click the video that's on your screen to see more content like this so you can learn some more about how law enforcement interacts during these kinds of exchanges. And in the comment section, share your thoughts about how the officers handle situations. Should they have engaged quicker? Did they do it exactly right? I'd like to hear your thoughts.